Let's talk about some more problems in calculus. Today we'll deal with the problem of integral calculus. The problem goes like this. The change in a function y and the independent variable x are related as dy by dx is equal to x cube. The rate of change of y with respect to x is already given to us as x cube. Find y as a function of x. We have to calculate the value of or the function that y represents. Now, if you look at the definition that we have for indefinite integration, it simply says if I have a function capital Fx, then derivative of that with respect to x, let's say is small fx, then integration of fx with respect to dx is nothing but y plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So, if I have a function which is the derivative of y with respect to x, I can simply integrate that function to obtain my y back. This same method we'll use in this problem to solve this. So over here we have dy by dx given as x cube, over there we have dy by dx given as fx. So I simply need to integrate x cube to get my y back. So that's exactly what I'll do. I'll simply first of all multiply dx on that side and integrate on both sides to obtain this as y is equal to integral x cube dx. Now integration of x cube we know is nothing but x raised to power 4 upon 4. The formula for integration are discussed in the topic of integral calculus. You can go and watch that video. So over here the expression comes out to be y is equal to x raised to power 4 upon 4 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. This is our answer. I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you.